Niluluto mo, Kervin?
Hello!
Hello, si Kervin, nagluluto ng inihaw na pork chop.
Wow.
Magkakain na sila dito, so kakain din kami pero sa labas. Nainggit ako sa kanila eh. So guys, samahan nyo kami, kakain kami sa labas sa Giligans. So ready na guys ang ating mga tropa para magpunta ng Giligans.
It's sunny as I fall out from the sky, and I'm wondering what I do.
Pack your bags for the weekend. I just booked our flights. Let's go see a show in Mexico, yeah. Laugh and dance all night. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna see, yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain.
Huwag kayong magkalala, sa sulit ko rin tumabaya. Ihiramin ko lang. Ganito ang pagdamo. Kaya pala, dito. Malaki.
Yes. Yun guys, solve na sila guys. Lakad-lakad na muna sila.
Nice dinner. Thank you.
Looking back